Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete our edit and update functionality for the role and permission, right? So now in this video, I want to complete the delete functionality. Let's do that work. For doing this, I want to do that is in our all role, and that is our delete, right? So I want to create another new one that will be as a admin and then delete roles, and also here I pass that our roles ID. Now I want to create this type of one of the route. If you go to our web route, that will be just like our edit. I copy it and after that I paste it. Okay, now our name should be as a admin delete roles. Now I copy it, that will be as a admin delete roles, that will be as a admin delete roles, and also that have another requested ID. And then I want to create another new method as a admin delete roles. Now this type of one of the method I want to create in our role controller. I want to go to that our role controller here. After that update, I want to delete it, so that will be as a public and function. Our method name will be as a admin delete role. Great, and also that should be one of the requested ID, so I simply take that our requested ID. Great. So our first job is we have to get that our role. I take another variable with the role model. I want to get that a find or fail, and find or fail will be our requested ID. Okay, here I simply take it. Great. And now I want to put another condition as if condition. I want to do when that will be as a not, okay, is not null. That means that will be is null. That is also one of the default function, that is null. Here I get a specific role ID. I take the things with this variable. Now here when that will be as a not null, then our all that role I want to delete. Now with this role I want to call that our delete function. Okay, that will be as a delete, LETE. That is our delete function. I simply call it. Great. So friend, that's all you have to do. So that is the simple, all that ready-made. Now I want to show some of the notification message here. After that will be displayed on the notification as a role permission deleted successfully, and it will be return redirect to the same page. That means our back page. Okay, here that will be return redirect to the back page. Great. So friend, that's all. Now that should be also deleted. Let's check this out. Click as a save all. Now better I want to test it. Okay, I want to test it with if you go better I want to create another new role. Okay, first of all, if you go to that our role, I want to add another new role as a test. Okay, I name it as a test. Now click as a save changes. Now you can see there is a new role is created as a test. Now I want to add some of the permission for a specific this test. Now if you go to that role in permission, like here I want to do also make that sure you run that PHP artisan optimize. Okay, I want to run that as a PHP artisan optimize is running successful. And now I want to select it as a test. Okay, so that will be our test, and test area I want to do for this one. I want to simply select it as a history and then post menu. Okay, so both of this I want to simply select for a specific our role will be as a test. Now if you go to that save changes, you can see it's successfully inserted, right? So that is our test role, and for the test I have inserted two of this as a package menu and then post menu. And if you now go to our table as a role has permission, now click as a browse. Yes, you can see now that is our 6 ID. 6 ID means if you go our roles, and you can see that is a test I have created an ID as a 6 ID, right? So now that is our 6 ID. I have already added 2 of this permission, and that is our permission ID as a 59 and then the 64. Right, so that is a 2 permission is also now successfully selected. So right now I want to do when you delete it, then that should be also deleted from our role has permission table. Now let's check this out. Here I want to refresh it again, and now that is our test. I want to remove it. Now click as a yes, delete it. You can see there is a role permission deleted successfully. Right, now if you go and now I want to refresh it. Now yes, you can see that is our role is also now successfully deleted from here. Okay, I hope friend it's very clear. Right now we successfully done all the things. That is our sales, that is a admin, that is a manager, and also for the super admin I want to select all. Okay, I select all privilegization. Now click as a save changes. Now that should be you can see for the that is also loaded everything in one tab. Okay, which is fine. Right now that is our all that things I have actually selected for the super admin. Super admin will be able to get all that permission. That is our manager, that is our admin, that is our sales. Great. So right now here we also successfully complete our total role functionality, role add, role edit, update, delete. Okay, everything is now work perfectly in here, right? And when you delete it, all the data should be deleted from our role has permission, and also our role should be deleted. You can see that is our role is also now gone, that I have created as a test, that is also successfully gone. Great. So now we have to create some of the admin. Right now I am already logging our admin, right? So now I want to create another functionality. That means admin will be able to add some of the new admin, and into this admin area I want to assign all that our role. So as I told you, step by step everything will be very clear. So in our next video I want to create another functionality for the add admin. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.